KT100 Paperless Recorder. Replace the battery. Remove that screw on top of this. Here, there are two clips on both sides.
Each has two buckles. Press the buckles down.
After I press it, gently pull the meter head with force. Pull the meter head down. After pulling it out, this has the battery. Pry the battery out. Just replace it with a new battery and install it.
Then install the meter head again.
The space for installing the meter. Inside the cylinder, there is a top and bottom on each side.
Each has two of those guide rails.
Put these two cards into the guide rails, respectively. Push it to the end. Snap the 4 hooks in and tighten the screws.